Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. We hope the new year will bring you lots of love, health and joy. The first uploaded video for this year has a fascinating interior design theme, namely house tours. In fact, it is the 8th part of this theme and will present you a fabulous section of dreamy small family homes. So join us in this tour of one of the best home interiors. We hope you will enjoy the video and the beautiful background soundtrack. Here we have selected beautiful images of brand new single family homes, small and medium sized homes. They are comfortable with an inviting interior and they are perfectly suited for a small family with an active lifestyle that also love a quiet and peaceful suburban neighborhood. These beautiful homes have a beautiful backyard garden. The small homes presented in our video have usually two levels, ground floor and first level, or ground floor and the attic turn into a second level. Open plan layout at ground floor that brings together living room, dining room, kitchen and a powder room. Bedroom, master bedroom at the first floor. Well-chosen color palettes and intensive use of wallpaper make this interior to look comfortable and elegant, not to mention the good choice of furniture and decorative accessories. The good furniture placement complements the overall decor. Let's see together several design ideas such as this simple home interior with a charming little living room in gray and white color palette. Large windows allow you to immerse into a beautiful view of the background garden. Here you can see a lovely home interior, the dining kitchen area situated to the ground floor with an opening to the background garden. Here you can see another charming ground floor area of a small home interior. This time a lovely living room with a cute two-seat sofa. Nice floral pattern blinds and curtains bring a classic look to the decor. Wonderful living room design in beige hues and brown color palette. A beautiful bay window makes this small living space to look larger and brings a lot of natural light inside. Simple, modern and beautiful this small open space is simple furniture pieces, which also is the TV stand, separates the dining area from the rest of the ground floor layout. Here you can see another simple but wonderful small living room in grey and white color palette, beautifully furnished and decorated with a glamorous look. Absolutely beautiful this small living space with a charming bay window. The light color palette and the large window make the small space to look bigger. Absolutely beautiful with a luxury touch, this small interior with a large opening to a green backyard. Here you can see a beautiful small bedroom in a light green and beige color combination. Indeed, a nice color palette and lovely decorative accessories. with a traditional style look, classic and smart design idea in a white and blue hues color palette, large opening to a beautiful small backyard garden. What do you think about this glamorous open space decor in neutral gray and beige with purple color accents? Please write your opinion in the video comments section. Small family home with an adorable tiny living dining area in a charming English cottage style. Here you can see a charming master bedroom, lovely design with a feminine touch, white, red and pink color combination. Super living room in grey hues, blue and white with a classic traditional look. We finish our presentation here, but as usual, not before to give you a last hint. Please read the last post from our website, How to Build a House, namely House Tours, Dreamy Small Family Homes, published on January 6. If you need more information of these charming little homes, you will find the link in the video description. Thank you so much for your time. Best regard and see you soon to another new video. Bye.